Hey guys, welcome to TinoTech Hacks. If today is the first time, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to put a comment. Today we are going to learn how to convert Word into a PDF file, or we want to learn how to convert any type of file into a PDF file. It could be a picture, it could be PowerPoint, it could be Excel, or it could be Microsoft Word. Okay, so to quickly do that, we will just open our Word quickly. Yeah, so this is our Word. It is open. It doesn't matter any kind of document you are going to create. As far as your document is ready, you can convert it. So let's just say I have some file here. Let me look at some of my recent documents. Okay, so I have a file here. Let me see. Okay. All right, so I have a file here. This is an assignment I gave one of my students. Okay, this document is ready to be converted to PDF. Now, make sure that anytime you create a document, you save a copy first, so that if you make an error, you can come back to edit it and then change it. So I will just click on my save button and the document has been saved. That is the name of the document. You could equally give it a different name by clicking on File, then you go to Save As. Then you choose the location where you want the document to be. So you can either choose desktop, you can choose anywhere. So when I click on Browse, I will go to, okay, let me put it on my desktop. So I will click on Desktop, and then I will give it a different name. So I can say ATT document. All right, ATT documents. All right, so I have this document here. So it's saved as ATT document. When you come back to check here, you're going to see that it is there. All right, I want to change it to PDF file. So I will click on File. Then I'll scroll down here and then I'll come to Export. I'll click on Export. Now, when you click on Export, you're going to see Create PDF / XPS document. You can also see Change File Type. So we're going to choose the first one, and then we'll come on Create PDF or FXS file. Then I'll click, I can change the name if I want to change the name. Since I want to maintain the name ATT document, I'll just click on Publish. Then automatically my PDF file has been created. Now, because I choose a default app to open it for me, it has opened into a PDF automatically. But you can see the extension here, which has indicated that the file is a PDF document. When I close it from here, I can go and then look for my file. So let's go and then look for the file on the desktop because I kept it on the desktop. This is the original file, which is the ATT document. And then this is its PDF version, which is also ATT document. Now you can see that this one is PDF and this one is Word. That is the difference. When I double click, the PDF is going to open with a PDF opener, which is Adobe Acrobat. You can see it here. Adobe Acrobat is one of the most basic tools that is used for editing PDF files. I can edit it in PDF using the tools that I have in Adobe. Apart from Adobe, we also have other apps that can help you to open your PDF, like all the browsers, Google Chrome browser, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, any other browser which helps you to go online can also help you to open your PDF. So I can right click and then I will go to Open With. When I go to Open With, you're going to see a lot of browsers here. I have the Firefox, I have the Brave, I have the AVG Secure browser, I have the Microsoft Edge. All of them are here. So I can choose this one, which is the AVG browser, and then I'll click. And then it will open it as a browser, which is a PDF file for me. It is so easy is so simple. The same thing applies to many other documents that we have. It could be a picture, it could be an Excel file, it can also be converted into a PDF. For example, let me just quickly open Excel, and then let me just create some documents, just some random documents which has no meaning. Yeah, let me just try and then do anything, because I'll be teaching Excel in detail in future, so I just don't want to waste your time for now. After you are done, like I told you, you can save the file. So I can give it a name, I'll browse, and then I'll choose my desktop. Where is my desktop? Here. Then I will say, okay, TTYT. Then I'll click on save. Now this document has been saved on my desktop as TTYT. I can go and look for it. This is it. I want to go and convert it into PDF, and let's see. I will also click on file. I will go to export, and then I'll come here and I'll click PDF or create. I want to maintain the original name, so I will click publish, and then it has been created as a PDF file. You can see it there. It has been opened with the Adobe Acrobat. When I close it and I go to my desktop, I can see it here. You can see it here. It's also a PDF file. I can equally open it with a browser apart from the Adobe Acrobat. You can right click, and then I'll go to open with, and then I'll choose my AVG browser or any other browser, and the document that I've created, which is in PDF, is here. I can choose any other browser to open it, like maybe Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Firefox is also going to open it for me. Okay, I need to update my Firefox. Yeah, okay. It's open. Not now. Yes, that's it. I could equally also convert a picture into a PDF. I will be teaching that in my next lesson. It takes a different format and it has different styles to convert a picture to PDF. So don't forget to subscribe. See you another time. Bye bye.